Desperate, troubling days are upon us, my friends. We have record-high gas prices, crushing inflation, division and chaos all throughout the land, and a broken supply chain. As a result, there are many empty shelves at grocery stores and sky-high prices on what remains. Indeed, many Americans across the land are struggling greatly to keep food on the table. While politicians and news commentators continue to fight and squabble relentlessly, not much is getting done in the meantime to alleviate any of these serious issues which are economically crippling so many people. When you head to the market these days, there's a good chance you'll find little to nothing in the way of fresh, healthy meat and fish. And what you do find will no doubt be crazy expensive at the moment. But let me ask you this. Did you know that there's currently a virtually unlimited supply of one of the world's healthiest and most delicious fish running rampant throughout America, which is mostly going to waste? Well, indeed there is. It's the silver and bighead Asian carp. Let me tell you all about it. If you're not familiar with the issue, the Asian carp epidemic is an ecological disaster which has infected the major river systems, lakes, and surrounding wetlands of America. From southern Florida to the Canadian border, Asian carp are ravaging ecosystems, destroying native fish populations and wildlife habitats, and are also now threatening to enter the Great Lakes. These invasive species have also negatively impacted regional economies that depend on natural renewable resources for their financial health. After researching this issue for many years now, as well as writing a book on the topic, I've learned that natural resource experts all across the country firmly believe that a major solution to decreasing the Asian carp population was for folks to start actively utilizing this resource. That is, to eat the enemy. But unfortunately, there's a great deal of false negative stereotypes and genuine misinformation that has kept people from doing so. Unbeknownst to most Americans, the truth is that the silver and bighead species of Asian carp are among the most nutritious and delicious fish in the world. In thousands of blind taste tests, people preferred Asian carp almost unanimously to other popular eating fish. And because they're filter feeders who consume microscopic plankton, they don't have nearly the high levels of mercury and other contaminants that most other fish do, making them a very healthy choice for regular consumption, even when they're caught out of not-so-clean or healthy waters. Asian carp are low in sodium, they rank among the highest of all fish in dietary protein, and they're exceptionally rich in antioxidants, minerals, and vitamins, particularly vitamin B12 and zinc. These incredible fish are also among the highest in heart-healthy omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids, even more so than salmon, according to some studies. The taste and texture of silver and bighead carp is a beautiful, white, flaky, mild flesh that's similar to cod and even crab, and it easily absorbs the flavors of whatever herbs, spices, and sauces that are being used in preparing it. Now, it is true that catching these fish can be a little challenging, as again, they are filter feeders, so they typically don't go after the types of baits or lures that are commonly used for most styles of fishing. However, there are many alternative fishing methods that you can use that are very effective and a heck of a lot of fun. It's also true that Asian carp have a unique Y-bone structure that can make them difficult to process, but with a little practice and ingenuity, there are ways to quickly and effectively remove the bones. That is, if you insist on eating boneless fish. But when cooked as is, the bones of the Asian carp come out very easily. I've made many videos about a wide variety of Asian carp topics that you can check out here at this channel, but the best place to learn everything you need to know is in my book, Eat the Enemy, which is a complete guide to catching and cooking the Asian carp, and it includes 50 delicious Asian carp recipes. So hang in there, my friends, during these difficult days, and get out there and catch some Asian carp. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, be sure to subscribe to this channel, and check out the 3 Minutes Outdoors website at 3minutesoutdoors.com.